If you work with your hands and hate wasting time on bad tools, you need to see this. These 16 gadgets solve real workshop problems instantly. This is PraktoTech. We show you the smartest workshop tools that actually solve real problems. Today's video covers 16 essentials that upgrade your workspace instantly. Links in description. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Hard L rotary toolkit. Scratched metal, dull surfaces, rough edges killing your finish work. Hard L rotary kit fixes it all. Polish instantly, engrave precisely, sand smoothly, works metal and wood. Universal mandrel fits any rotary tool, multiple grinding heads included. Switch bits in seconds, no extra purchases needed. Handle hobby projects, fix scratches fast. Customize surfaces easily, complete polishing without professional equipment. Small kit, endless finishes, SEESII 10A, cordless mini chainsaw. Branches everywhere, heavy saw too much, tired arms from manual cutting. SEESII, mini chainsaw cuts through, cordless freedom. Fast chain speed, safety guard built in, rechargeable battery lasts hours. Fits one hand comfortably, prune trees quickly, clear paths instantly, cut firewood fast. No gas required, no heavy lifting needed. Lightweight design prevents fatigue, works camping trips, handles garden cleanup, emergency storm debris cleared fast. Tiny saw, major power. GARTOL trunk organizer, trunk chaos, rolling groceries, tools sliding everywhere during turns. GARTOL trunk organizer locks everything down. Adjustable compartments fit any item, non-slip bottom grips tight. Durable material resists wear, folds flat when empty. Customize sections instantly, separate clean from dirty, keep fragile items safe, stop annoying rattles, install in seconds, remove just as fast. Works SUVs and sedans. Handle weekly shopping, organize camping gear, perfect road trips, one purchase, permanent order. XClifes wall-mounted support arm, cluttered workbench, no floor space. Tools everywhere blocking movement. XClifes support arm mounts to wall. Multi-position adjustment fits any angle. Solid metal construction holds weight. Easy installation takes minutes. Folds away when finished. Free up valuable floor. Hold drills ready. Support heavy pieces. Angle adjust precisely. Lock position securely. Works small garages. Perfect tight workshops. Saves square footage. Keeps tools accessible. Transform cramped spaces instantly. Compact design. Serious strength. Bielmeier electric stapler, hand cramping from manual stapling. Upholstery taking forever. Carpentry slowing down. Bielmeier electric stapler speeds everything. Lithium-ion battery powers hundreds of staples. Variable power settings adjust material. Quick charge gets back to work. Drive staples deep. Reupholster furniture fast. Secure fabric perfectly. Install trim quickly. Build wooden frames. No hand fatigue. No missed staples. Professional results every time. Cordless movement freedom. 10-minute furniture transformations, old furniture new again. Fanttik E2 Ultra screwdriver set, searching for bits constantly, hand tightening exhausting. Electronics needing precision, Fanttik E2 Ultra handles everything. 32 precision bits included, digital torque display shows exact force. Compact cordless design fits tight spaces, adjustable settings prevent stripping, assemble furniture rapidly, install electronics safely, repair gadgets easily, build projects confidently. Magnetic bit holder, quick bit changes, LED work light included, rechargeable battery lasts. Complete home assembly kit, every bit you need. One set solves all. Concealed hinge jig 35mm, crooked cabinet doors, misaligned hinges, ruining finish, drilling mistakes, wasting wood. Concealed hinge jig finds perfect placement. 35mm standard precision, durable construction lasts years. Easy alignment every time, mark holes instantly. Drill straight consistently, no measuring needed, no calculation errors. Install cabinet hinges professionally. Build kitchen cabinets, repair door alignment, upgrade old furniture, works hardwood and plywood. Beginner-friendly design, professional accuracy guaranteed. One-time purchase, lifetime precision. Metabo HPT Circular Saw, heavy saws causing fatigue, inaccurate cuts wasting material. The professional precision Metabo HPT Circular Saw delivers both. Lightweight body prevents arm strain, precision cutting guide ensures accuracy. High-efficiency motor cuts smoothly, trusted brand reliability. Handle long projects, cut framing lumber, build decks confidently, install trim perfectly, rip plywood straight, cross-cut 2x4s, professional results guaranteed, durable investment pays off. Contractor grade performance, comfortable extended use. Serious hobbyist approved, premium tool, premium results. POWERTEC Featherboards safety accessory, kickback scares you, wood slipping during cuts, dangerous table saw moments, POWERTEC Featherboards stabilize everything. Multi-position teeth grip workpiece, quick mounting saves setup time, durable construction withstands pressure, prevent kickback instantly. Hold wood firmly, guide cuts safely. Reduce injury risk, works table saws, fits router tables, secures fence operations, affordable safety investment, less accidents mean fewer costs. Confidence during cutting, relaxed operation, budget-friendly protection, simple but effective. Safe work, better results. Multi-purpose electric hand tool, small repairs piling up, multiple tools cluttering space, assembly jobs waiting, multi-purpose electric tool handles 10 tasks, compact design stores easily, multiple tip compatibility, rechargeable battery ready anytime. Fix furniture quickly, assemble purchases, tighten loose screws, emergency repairs done, beginner workshop starter. Keep in car, handle unexpected needs. Apartment-friendly size, gift-worthy practicality. Ready when needed. Price meets function. First toolbox essential, never caught unprepared. Prepared feels better. Sacker multi-angle measuring tool, complex angles confusing you, cuts coming out wrong, measuring taking forever. Saker multi-angle tool measures instantly. Multi-position adjustment captures any angle. Easy locking mechanism. Portable design goes anywhere. Transfer angles accurately, mark cuts precisely, reduce material waste, speed up workflow, build staircases, install crown molding, cut rafters correctly, frame additions, copy existing angles, works wood and metal, beginner-friendly operation, double your cutting speed, accuracy saves money, control every measurement, multi-purpose workshop accessory, small repair stopping projects, missing specialty tools, budget limiting purchases, multi-purpose workshop accessory fills gaps, compact storage saves space, durable build withstands use, multifunctional design handles basics, support precision work, assist small repairs, hobby-friendly features, budget-conscious choice, low-risk trial, first workshop edition, student-approved affordability, curious about usefulness, test without commitment, covers essential needs, price brings satisfaction, basic requirements met, entry level makes sense. Backer precision stop fence, repetitive cuts inconsistent, measuring each piece, production taking forever, Saker precision stop creates perfect repeats, fine adjustment screw dials exact length, solid locking prevents drift. Universal mounting fits benches, make 100 identical pieces, save material waste, reduce measurement time, consistent quality maintained, small batch production, Etsy sellers benefit, custom orders fulfilled. Time savings compound, material costs drop, professional satisfaction achieved, efficiency creates pride. Repeat production simplified. Milescraft DrillBlock guide, drill holes going crooked, handheld drilling frustrating, projects looking amateur, Milescraft DrillBlock keeps holes straight. Durable construction guides accurately, alignment system ensures perpendicular, portable size works anywhere, drill perfectly vertical, create professional joints, build furniture properly, install hardware straight, doweling made easy, works any handheld drill, budget-friendly upgrade, small investment, big improvement, craftsmanship looks professional, master-level results, precision without press, accuracy desire fulfilled. HOTO cordless screwdriver minimalist, daily assembly annoying, manual screwing tiring, tools too bulky, HOTO cordless screwdriver simplifies everything. Minimalist design looks premium, wireless operation frees movement. Lightweight body prevents fatigue. Assemble furniture quickly, install fixtures easily, tighten cabinet hardware, portable enough for bags, technology enthusiast approved. New homeowner essential, gift-worthy presentation, style meets function, carry professional appearance, compact professional tool, aesthetic plus portability. Satisfaction from both, ALLWAY contour scraper, old paint stuck, adhesive residue everywhere, surface prep taking hours, ALLWAY contour scraper removes everything. Soft grip handle prevents blisters, stainless steel blade stays sharp, ergonomic form fits naturally, scrape paint safely, remove old caulk, repair surfaces fast, works wood and metal, refinishing made easier, restoration projects accelerated. Budget-friendly, essential, comfortable extended use, long-lasting blade, quick surface preparation, cleaning feels satisfying, work simplified. That's it for today's Workshop Essentials. This is PraktoTech, where we find tools that actually work. Which one are you getting first? Comment below. Hit subscribe for more smart tool reviews. Next video drops tomorrow. We're testing portable welders under $50. See you there.